like his thing, baby.
Second day, yeah.
One night.
Take his coat off.
So Elvis, you're singing the hell out of it. Oh, just one more. I think we can beat it, okay?
Okay.
Let's get it on.
2, 3.
Seven lonely days and a dozen times ago, I reached out one night and you were gone. Don't know why you would run, what you're running to or from. All I know, I want to bring you home. So I'm walking in the rain, thumbing for a ride on this lonely Kentucky back road. I've loved you much too long, my love stood strong. Let you go, never knowing what went wrong. Kentucky rain keeps pouring down, another head, another town that I'll go walking through, with the rain in my shoes, searching for you in the cold Kentucky rain, in the cold Kentucky rain. Showed you a photograph, was a gold gray bearded man sitting on a bench outside a general store. Said yes, she's been here, but the memory wasn't clear. Was it yesterday? No, wait, the day before. Finally got a ride with a preacher man who asked, were you bound on such a cold dark afternoon? As he drove on through the rain, as he listened, I explained, I knew right there with a prayer that I'd find you. Kentucky rain keeps pouring down, another hedge, another town that I'll go walking through, with the rain in my shoes, searching for you in the cold